Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how we make a spicy jalapeno mango margarita. We love this drink. We've been making it all summer long and we've been trying different variations of it, but we really like the way this one came out. So grab your tequila, grab your jalapenos, let's get started. Okay, here's what our drink is going to look like. So grab your tequila, jalapenos, mangoes, and the rest of the items on our shopping list. Let's begin. Add frozen chunks of the mango pulp into your pitcher. And now add fresh mango chunks into your pitcher. Now you're going to pour some mango nectar juice into it. Yes, guys, this is a super mango-y drink. I told y'all. Grab your cup. Add some jalapeno slices into it. And we're going to muddle this with tequila. So pour your tequila in as much as you want. We don't do measurements here. No judgment. And muddle it all together. Oof, we're going to squeeze all the jalapeno juice out. Woo, look at that. Grab a strainer and we're going to strain the juice right into our pitcher. And now let's get ready to blend this all together. We blended it for about 30 seconds or less. Now grab a plate and pour some tajin on it, a little bit of cayenne pepper for extra kick. Grab a lemon wedge and pour some agave onto it. And we're going to run this around the rim of the cup. Just like that. And now we're going to swirl it right into our mixture. Oof, perfection. Grab an ice cube and pour your mango mixture right over it. It doesn't look spicy, but trust us. Now let's garnish it with a jalapeno slice and a pinch of tajin. We hope you love this video, and if you make it, be sure to tag us on Instagram. Enjoy!